Let's face it, accidents happen. In the workplace, they can range from minor mishaps to serious incidents. But here's the thing, every accident, big or small, is a learning opportunity. That's where incident investigation comes in. By carefully examining what went wrong, we can prevent history from repeating itself. Think of it as workplace archaeology, digging into the past to build a safer future. Investigating incidents isn't about placing blame. It's about understanding the why behind the what. It's about identifying the root causes, those underlying factors that, if left unaddressed, could lead to similar incidents down the road. It's about creating a culture of safety where everyone feels empowered to speak up and prevent the next accident. In the world of workplace safety, the safety officer is kinda like a detective. They're the ones who rush to the scene when an incident occurs, clipboard in hand, ready to piece together what happened. But their role goes way beyond just collecting evidence. Safety officers are the guardians of workplace safety. They're responsible for developing and implementing safety protocols, conducting training, and ensuring that everyone understands and follows the rules. They're also the ones who lead the charge when it comes to incident investigation. Think of them as the conductors of the safety orchestra, making sure everyone is playing their part to create a harmonious and, most importantly, safe work environment. So, an incident occurs. What next? Well, the first order of business is to make sure everyone is safe and sound. Once the immediate danger is taken care of, it's time to start the investigation. This typically involves a few key steps. First, secure the scene. Just like at a crime scene, the area needs to be secured to prevent any tampering of evidence. Next, gather information. This involves interviewing witnesses, reviewing any available footage, and examining any equipment involved. Then, document everything. Detailed records of the incident, including photographs, videos, and witness testimonies, are crucial. After that, analyze the data. Once all the information is gathered, it's time to connect the dots. This involves identifying the root causes of the incident. Finally, develop recommendations. The last step is to develop actionable recommendations to prevent similar incidents from happening again. Section 4. Why investigate? The importance of understanding accidents. Some might think investigating minor incidents is a waste of time, but even seemingly small incidents can reveal underlying safety issues. Remember, it's always better to address a problem before it becomes a major issue. Investigating incidents allows us to identify hazards. By understanding how incidents occur, we can pinpoint and eliminate workplace hazards. Improve safety procedures. Investigations often highlight areas where safety procedures can be improved or enhanced. Prevent future incidents. The ultimate goal is to prevent similar incidents from happening again, creating a safer workplace for everyone. Reduce costs. Accidents cost money. Medical bills, repairs, lost productivity. By preventing accidents, we can save resources. By preventing. Section 5. After the investigation, turning findings into action. The investigation is complete, the report is written, but the work doesn't stop there. The real value of an investigation lies in what happens next. The recommendations made need to be implemented effectively to prevent similar incidents from occurring in the future. This might involve implementing new safety procedures, providing additional training to employees, investing in new equipment or technology, creating a more open and transparent safety culture. Remember, incident investigation isn't about punishment, it's about progress. It's about creating a work environment where everyone feels safe, protected, and valued.